Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This one of the design we did it sometime before we started doing some of our previous design. This design we did it from scratch. Want to see how we did this design? Go to our YouTube channel. You're going to see them. Or go to design also. This tank stand and the simple gate design we did was also meant from this place. Okay, this will teach us on how to do a simple gate design with Rails. That was the last design we did on our YouTube channel. So I started doing creating family. So today we're going to teach you on how, show us on how to do design rope light. Just create a rope light here. We did some of our video as well. So to create a rope light here on this floating step. Want to create a rope light on this floating step. So at the same time, I want to have our ceiling that drop down here. I also want to create a rope light on it. Have a drop down ceiling here. I want to create a rope light also on it. Let me show you how it has a drop light down. The ceiling is dropped down. Look at the design we have here for the ceiling. The design we have here for the ceiling. So I go to have a cover light here like this. So have alternatively to place lighting points massively inside so it can eliminate light on it. So let's go to ceiling so I can understand what I'm saying. Placed much of lighting points here. See, can you see? Place lighting points here more so it can eliminate light. So we can have alternative ways of doing that too. Have alternative way of doing that too. You can place rope lights on it on the edge, so it will also serve as also eliminate light. So first of all, how do you create a rope light? So for creating a rope light, you have to go to 2009 model. I've done that in 2004, 2005. Let's do it in 2009 model. So creating that, go to modeling. So I want to create modeling. Create and pick any lighting for you want. Let me use this lighting fixture and say I decide not to use that. I say let us use any design you want to make use of. Okay, let me use this lighting filter. Okay. Let's find on the case of it. Okay. I want to okay. Okay. SolidWorks, solid form. Okay. This time around, I want to create future whereby it will have. I want to use massive modeling to create such future. Can also like I'm using bricks block to do that design. But this time around, I want to use massive modeling to do that future. Okay. To use massive modeling to do that future. Or use bricks to do that set value. So let me show you that you can also use massive to also do all of that. Finish parts. Okay. I want to stay in the SAT view to do this. So I'm using the SAT elevation button. The SAT elevation. Wow. This is okay. Pick this from this view. Oh, let me just do it here. We're supposed to take it from this elevation. Pick it here. That's what I want. Okay. That's the height I want it to go. I want it to be of 1 inch. It's 25. It's okay. Space. And it to be okay. Let me say 30. 30. Okay, set it to 5. 5. 5 is okay. Okay. So let's finish it here. Finish, edit. Okay, then finish profile. Finish swept. Finish mason. Let me go to seed. Floor, borrow second floor. Yes. Highlight. Edit. Highlight again. So remove Chrome from it. Put the 3D view. So I can lift it high. You can put 3D view. You can also use your elevation to do that too. You can still use your elevation side view to do that. Let me pick it from floor below. Highlight. Side view. Taking it back now. Taking it back. Let's see it in 3D view. Here it is. Let's see. Wow. Let's go this way. I want to view that font. Yeah, you can view that ceiling again. Okay. Move this way a bit. Take it up a bit. Yeah. So much. Drag it up a bit. Yeah. Okay. So much. Okay, this is it. So I can always go to, let's go to elevation to raise it up again. With so let's go to 3D view, see where it is. Now 3D view, this is where it is. This is where it is. So let's see it in 3D. It's gone too high. It's gone too high. Let's check it probably in the height. Let's check it height dimension. Finish. Since we can see it in the 3D view here. Interesting. back here. Let's say finish. I highlight this to see if we can set the height. And the reason why I love using heights, making use of blocks in doing this design. One of our students asked us to do this using massing. So we are doing it now, so I can help to achieve it. So let's still move up as well. Let's move up a bit. Let's go to our third level. Let's go to floor view, elevation, review. Okay. Pick it very well. Let's see it here. It here. Highlights. Look at it here. I want to place it at this region. This region. Okay. This region is meant to be. Okay. It's locked here. The ceiling region. Let's go there and see. Look at exactly this ceiling region. So I want to lock it at the other ceiling. The ceiling has two layers. From those of you that have followed us in the video, you know that the ceiling has two layers. So let's do this quickly. This is the layer we placed it. Second layer is here. I liked it. Go back. I have to go to view, elevation, view. What's happening? Gonna pop again. Just spots. You see, there's lapped on that particular. That height we wanted it to be. We'll go to tree view. So we're not seeing it in tree view, in the third level, because it is in between third level and this. So now we can do this also. Let's set that material. Let's set that material. Let's set this material. First of all, I have to set this material to show this is a light. So let's go here. Okay, edit. Now this is a massive material. This is a massive material. You cannot edit it, cannot set it using edit material. You have to go to view property. When they would go to edit property, go to view property, edit. I have to come here, say show categories, showing all the categories. Remember what we use is lighting feature. And go to the object style. Use lighting feature. It's a lighting feature. What do you want the lighting feature to be like? So go here, edit it. Which of the lighting feature do you want to make use of? So you have to pick a lighting feature probably you want to make use of. Okay. So you can pick any material here and name it to be lighting. Define it to be light. Okay. So let me just pick okay. Slim material to pick something different that I can make use of in the design. Frame view, okay. Can use anything and name it to be anything you want to use. That's how Revit is so helpful. You can use it and name it anything you want to name it to be, to serve as that name in it. So put in wall. Let me just pick interior ceiling. One from ceiling. This is gypsum. Laminated. Let me use laminated slab marble. Let me just use laminated marble. Okay, pick my marble as my default material. So I just want to show me whatever it has here in the rendering appearance. So to show me whatever it has here in the rendering appearance. So now I'll go here now and replace it as lighting point. Replace it to be a light. So this is the definition I'm giving it to here. Remember, it's lighting appearance. Okay, let me call it glass blue. Okay, marble. This is a bulb. Let me just call it to be glass light bulb. What's on it? Okay, this is it now. This is the light it is now here. I've called this to become a light. So every of this material in this designer is now becoming a light. Okay. 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 So this is the reason why I used to use bricks to do this. So that now let me go back and make use of a bricks. Okay, refine it to have the same model it has. Shipping it because we place this design at this spot to tell me, define the height I want it to go. Let's go. Let's see. I did the external, right? I want to do internal lighting point now. Internal lighting point. I want to use bricks to do that. So therefore, okay, let's come out here. Basic. Basic. Bricks. Let me see the whole bricks I've been making use of here. We have made series of series of bricks here. Use this bricks file. Okay. I don't know if I make use of bricks file here because I left this design for some time now. So but let me go this way. Go this way, pick a different bricks file, call it, let me duplicate it to have my own as two. Now I have second bricks file. So this is my second brick file now. I want to rename it to be having a width. We did the width to be 35. Did the width to be 35. Okay, and when we're designing using massive material. Okay, here now I'm going to change the default. Now we don't need to set default anymore. Just need to go to the material which we use for the default, which is laminated marble. Now laminated marble is now having a definition. This is a light. Let me show you. This is a light already. It's okay. don't have to set it anymore. I've already changed the default to be a dead man. So now we'll come here now and now set the height of the blocks. Okay. Okay. I want it to deform to rise from let me give it, I want the thickness here first of all. Okay. I want it to rise, let's say, to 800. So the actual offset and the thickness with the height, I want it to be 25. That would be that one. Okay. So therefore, let me go to 2D, do that. Slim. Okay. So the ceiling. This is where this one is. I'm gonna place another one here. Okay. Let's do this quickly. Let's do this. Cannot get it. We have to change the height of that bricks. That's why it's hard to get. Let's change this height of these bricks to be 50. Let's say 100. Still change it as well. You see? Let's change it again. Now using bricks to do the same form wall work. Okay. Now let's go to our viewpoint and see what we've done. This is it. Let's see the height of this, who it is. This ceiling panel. What height is it operating? Taking lights. Okay. I entered it. I want to know the height in which is operating. It's at 2000. It's to 2790. 2790, that's what it is. 2790. Okay. What about this inner one? This inner one is at 2900. Okay. So if my blocks, if my lighting point want to offset, should be offsetting around the region of 2000, and thickness here should 40, a 55 thickness. Okay. It's 40 thickness. Okay. Now, if this is 40 thickness and this is it has it's offset from 230, and which means if I should drop it at 800, I will be having my light showing very well. That's 2800. I will having my light showing very well. But this one is at 2000. Okay, this one is 2790. It's having 40. It's closing it. So if I should have 2900, 700 minus 40. I should have 2790 plus 40. I should be having 2830 to be in between 2830 and so it should be offsetting at 2830. Okay, that's how you should do your calculation to be sure of where your height should be. So now, therefore, let's go back to the floor plan, this height, highlighted, this, 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 and this. Let's see where it offsets. It offsets at level 2, having it to be 230 to 800. It's hiding 30. It's out of the frame. Okay, I want it to be 50. If I want to leave it at 100, it's no problem. But I still want it to be 25. Or can we make it 30? 30. Okay. Cannot have 30. Cannot have 30 definition. 40. Can have 40 definition. So it's embedded in the ceiling already. Some of it. So let's go there and see what we've done there. Can see it there. See it there closely. In between the line. See it. That is the lighting point there. Let me highlight it. Try highlighting it. Look at it. See it. It is in between the ceiling and the cover light. So it's in between the ceiling and the cover light. So this is how to have your design on your 3D. So let's see our intention. Okay, we have it here already. Let's design it here as well. Let's design it here as well. Have a circle drop down lighting point here too. Have a circle drop down lighting point here too. Let's do that to place a cover light, a pop light on it as well. Let's go there quickly. Let me still use the blocks material to be using. And I want to offset it. Let me see where I'm offsetting it from. This is a 2. They should be the same with this. Okay, what about the other? This is the other. Okay, the same. So it should be offsetting at 2, 8, 30 as well. So let's go back here. Okay. Let's pick our wall. Make sure it's offsetting at 2, 8, 30. To 830. 830. So here, let's make it to be 40. Okay. Therefore, the circle is a design. Let's pick a circle line. Okay, this way, our way. Placing it here, another here, and write it this way. Put it here, and it here. Okay, achieve that already. So let's view it in a 3D view. Look at it closely. Find that the rope light is covering it already. It's on it. It's covering it. So it will be eliminating the light there now on that region. So we'll have a drop-down light, a drop-down film. So we design this, we'll teach you how to do that before now in our 3D view. In our design, how to drop this down as well. So now for us to have a specific design on this other cover. For this cover now, we lifted it high. So if you want to have a specific design, you know what you're doing, use this as well. Be setting it according to the height which you want. So therefore, let's go to the view. Let's place our rope lights here. We plan doing before now. Our rope light will be here. Our different shape of this region. We have this to be 4 inches thickness. So let's have a rope light on it quickly. So go to the floor plan, floor plan, ceiling level. So start up from here, this way. So pick up a rope light again. This time around, we are making the height to be at 0 level, 0 level. Placing it here. Go this way. At 0 level, to 0, 0 level. If you have it here, 0 level. Right, bring it out a bit. Bring it out a bit. Much. Bring it out of the material. Let's see. Take it back a bit. Take it back a bit. So then bring it out again to come out on its own. So it's a little bit embedded. Okay. This is how to place it. This is the first one on 0 level. So the second one will pick. I want to change the height to minus 150. Okay. Minus 150. Let me pick okay. Well, let me say minus 150. 50. Let me go to 0 level to see it. This level to see it. Okay. I can be seeing what I'm doing. Holding it. Highlighting. Let me see what's happening here in 3D. Okay. What's happening? Okay, it's going below. Okay, let me do this. Let's go back to 0 level. At 0 level. At 0 level. I want to change the. Okay. I want to change the height. Picking wall. So 0 level. Notes at 0 level. Should be minus, should be positive. The positive is 1000 height minus 150 should give me 750. No, should give me 850. Okay. So, so, okay. Okay. 850 minus 150 should give me should give me Okay. Okay. This is 1000. This is 150. Should give me 600. 700. 750. Yes, so. Yes, so. This video is taking time already. So this is how to place your rope lights on this region. This has already gone inside. And this as well. Minus 150 again, I should be having picking the rope light again. Minus 150 from here. Should be having 600. 600. If this is 650, it should be 700. It is 700. This is we did the 750, so 700. It should be 550. 550. So I'm going to go and correct that height also. This is 550. This is 550 minus 150 should be giving us 300. Okay, 400. We have 400. 400. So I'm picking it different design I have at that step. So if this is 400, the next one should be minus 150. Should be having 250. This one will be 250. Okay. This is 250. The next should be 100. That should be 100. So I'm placing it a different layer and different design. This is 100. This should be minus. So this rope light is coming this way up. Not minding this one's already on the floor. So the thing that is one here with it is 650. This is 100. 250. 400. 550. This is supposed to be 700. This is the one who did that. This is 700. We did it to be 750. Change it back. 700. Let's watch it up, change the view and see what we've achieved. See it. See what we've achieved. Rope lights are there. Okay. Let me go to side view to view it properly. Okay. This has set a rope light under it. Set a rope lights we've achieved. Set a rope lights, and then this is how to place the rope light. This rope light is on the top, on the sides exactly of it, which you can still adjust and adjust it in your 2D view or 3D view, whichever. So remember the material is still, this material is Punch this way. This round until I came in here. Delete, delete, delete. This is the material we used. So it's a wrong material to that came in here. That's bad. Should that material to just place wrongly. Okay. So that material is placed wrongly. So check the height, the dimension, and reset it all. Thank you for following us. Thank you for being with us at this point. You can set all the heights of it properly now. I will stop if you want how to do this. This is not the first time you'll be following us. The first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us for more design like this, more concept like this. We need to tell you more details on design and Revit. Thank you.